Hey, man, let me show y'all a little tip, man. If you got a club car, or you got an EZGO series, or a club car series, of course, man, one thing everybody wants to do, man, everybody wants to go fast. All right, plain and simple. Everybody wants speed. Everybody don't want to get passed by the next man beside them. And let me tell you this, all right? This is the drawback to going fast. You can see here, we got the big motor on here, series cart. All right, got a forward and reverse board. All right, same thing as the EZGO series. What happens is, over time you driving it, because the motor pulls so many amps, is that it burns up the forward and reverse board, because the brass with the copper contacts there melt. It get hot and it melts a plastic board. So you either will have two things you can do. You can go with a double solenoid for forward and reverse. They're around $200 and you get away with that. You still use your existing forward and reverse, but you do away with the contacts itself carrying the load. The load goes through the solenoids. Because if you don't, man, over time, if you go through that, if you go with a big motor, over time you will burn up your forward and reverse board and your wires will get hot. So make sure, man, like I said, everybody wants to go fast, man. I totally get it, man. Everybody wants speed. But at the end of the day, man, the series card is not worth it, unless you're going to do it right, man, because you'll get about 9 to 12 months out of your cart before this motor will melt this board. We just put this board on here yesterday, and it's a heavy duty board. We drove it today, and all these wires here are hot, so we're gonna have to upgrade all these wires to a full gauge wire, or maybe a double aught wire, or even a 2 gauge. But the best thing for this guy to do, man, is go with a double solenoid. He don't want to do it, so we're gonna have to go with the wires. So I just want to show everybody that, man. Yes, speed is good. Everybody wants it, but on a series model, speed comes with a consequence. All right, it's gonna burn your stuff up, man. Always remember, man, I have about 400 videos. About 150 of them are scheduled to come out. If you want early access to troubleshooting or just general knowledge tips like this, you have to become a member in order to do it. Order to see him. But I just want to show everybody this, man. I figured this, everybody gonna want to see this, because like I said, man, everybody wants to go fast, man. I totally get it, man. I want to go fast. Damn if somebody gonna pass me. But like I said, man, always remember, do it right. If you're going to do it half-ass or the wrong way, it will cost you more in the long run doing it half-ass or doing it wrong than it will to do it right. All right? But all right, man, stay tuned, man. I want to show everybody that.